Good evening. Thanks for joining us here on WION. World is One News. I'm Molly Gambhir. Starting off this edition with some breaking inputs that are coming in. WION's Islamabad Bureau reported today that the US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo assured Pakistan that he will convey Pakistan's request to India for an Indo-Pakistan dialogue or for talks to resume. And now sources in the Indian government are insisting that the top US officials did not bring up any such issue during their stay and meetings in India during the Indo-US 2+2 dialogue in New Delhi. On the contrary, the Indian sources insist, and this is important, that the Indo-US dialogue focused on ending terrorism, and that's when the issue of Pakistan sponsoring terrorism, according to reports we've been getting you earlier, was also brought up. Let's get in further details from WION's principal correspondent, Siddhant Sibal, who's joining us live from New Delhi. Siddhant, if you can first up, set the record straight, tell us what the Indian sources at this point are telling you.
Well, New Delhi has denied what Islamabad has been claiming. Sources in Delhi said that the US never raised about India-Pakistan dialogue during the 2+2 dialogue. Remember, the focus was on terror, and in the joint statement also, the mention of Hafiz Saeed verifies New Delhi's fact that the focus was on terror when it comes to Pakistan. And if you look at India-US ties, they have been focusing on issues such as Indo-Pacific, such as China, and on Pakistan there's convergence on one issue, that is the issue of terror. Remember, in the joint statement, not only 2611 was mentioned, but also both India and US asked Pakistan to bring to justice the perpetrators of Mumbai 2611 attacks, Pathankot, Uri, and other cross-border terror attacks which have taken place. And interestingly, there was a briefing by the State Department when the Secretary of the State, Mike Pompeo, left Islamabad to Delhi, and in which this question was raised about India-Pakistan peace talks. The US side, the State Department officials said that we welcome efforts by both the countries to speak to each other, but focus is on the issue of terror. And he said that you cannot hyphenate India and Pakistan together when it comes to US ties with US. They said that these are two separate relationships. With India, US has a strategic partnership. But with Pakistan, the question is, where does Pakistan places itself in the world community? But New Delhi today denying the fact that the 2+2 dialogue featured any kind of talks on India-Pakistan dialogue, but said that the focus was on the issue of cross-border terror.
All right, so you're telling us that nothing of that sort was brought up during the talks between the Indian and US representatives during the 2+2 dialogue. So what does one then make of these claims that have been made by the Pakistani side, Siddhant, that the issue was in fact discussed during their talks with the US representatives, and that the US reassured Pakistan that they will be in fact asking India to resume talks with Pakistan, and that the dialogue process will be brought up with India?
Well, Pakistan has been trying to have some kind of dialogue with New Delhi, but New Delhi has burnt its fingers not once, not twice, but many times when it comes to dealing with Islamabad. The last time it happened was during Indian Prime Minister's visit to Lahore, and since then the only kind of not a talk but meet happened was during the cremation of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, when Pakistan sent a delegation which was headed by the then acting information minister. That was the only thing happening. But since then, we have seen attempts from the Pakistani side to say that we would like to have dialogue with New Delhi, and there have been stories that there might be a meet which happens later this month on the sidelines of United Nations General Assembly, where the Foreign Minister of India and Pakistan can meet, but sources in New Delhi have denied that also. They have said that there is no plan of meeting as of now, though there will be a SAARC foreign ministers meet which is going to take place. So as of now, New Delhi is very cautious. The Indian High Commissioner Ajay Bisaria was in Kolkata on Friday. A question was posed to him, what does he thinks about India-Pakistan dialogue? He said he welcomes the overture by the new government, but he is cautiously optimistic about it. So caution remains the buzzword here in New Delhi. And for New Delhi, it's the focus is on terror. And if we look at Pakistani side, they are again trying to focus on the issue of Kashmir, again trying to rake up Kashmir, which New Delhi says is same old stand. There's no new formulation happening in Islamabad. So clearly, New Delhi wants to focus on terror, and the policy remains talks and terror can't go together, but talks on terror can happen.